Question: if prayer is just talking to God, then why isn't it just called talking to God? Why does talking to God have a special word? Why is prayer called prayer? Well, let's talk about that. Hi, my name is Gail Neal, and this is Jesus Stories, where we talk about Christian history and about heroes of the faith. In Luke 11, verse 1, the disciples found Jesus praying, and they asked him to teach them how to pray as well. The Greek word that is used there combines the word pros, which means towards, and the word euchomai, which means to exchange wishes. So the word for prayer that is used in Luke 11:1, pros euchomai, literally means looking toward the Lord and exchanging our wishes for his. Great word, but how did we get there? The first organized prayer recorded in the Bible was in Deuteronomy 26, verses 5 through 10. It was recited to God by the Hebrews upon entering the promised land. This is when they offered their first fruits to the Lord. But Moses didn't call it a prayer. The law stated that it was to be a declaration unto the Lord. King David first used the word prayer in 2 Samuel 7, verse 27. This first official prayer was praise to God. Lord Almighty, God of Israel, you have revealed this to your servant, saying, I will build a house for you. So your servant has found courage to pray this prayer to you. There was a whole lot of talking to God, but this is the first time that the word teleflah, or prayer, was used. So where did teleflah come from? Well, the root of the word teleflah comes from the word halal, which is first found in Genesis 20, verse 7, and is spoken by God himself. God spoke to Pharaoh regarding Sarah, Abraham's wife, and he said, now return the man's wife, for he is a prophet, and he will pray for you, and you will live. Interesting story behind this word palal that's found in Genesis 20, verse 7. The word palal, written in Hebrew from right to left, is peh, lamed, lamed. The letters in the ancient Hebrew alphabet were also pictures. So the first letter in palal, which is called peh, is pictured as an open mouth, as is speaking. The second letter, lamed, is pictured as a shepherd's crook and represents the voice of authority. Repeating anything in Hebrew magnifies its significance. So the second lamed, or lamed lamed, means the ultimate authority. So from God's own mouth, the word palal, which we translate as pray, means to speak to the ultimate authority himself. So special name or no special name, prayer is just talking to God, the ultimate authority. Thanks so much for watching Jesus Stories. This channel is all about church history and about heroes of the faith. Please do share this video with someone who needs to hear this. And please let me know in the comments about what you'd like me to talk about. Thanks so much and see you next week. Bye-bye.